Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Mill Falls at the Lake. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are 2 swimming pools, restaurant, tea, coffee maker in all rooms, bar, beachfront and a private beach area. Mill Falls at the Lake overlooking Meredith Bay. This restored 19th century linen mill combines old world charm with modern amenities including free Wi-Fi. A covered bridge, which features a 40-foot waterfall, connects it to the historic marketplace. Rooms at the Mill Falls Inn are decorated in soft colors and wood furniture. Each offers cable TV, a small refrigerator and a comfortable seating area. The inn at Mill Falls has an indoor pool and guests have free access to the gym at Church Landing. The large common area offers a fireplace and a public computer station. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.